Hey guys, it's Russ over at Lee's Auto and RV Ranch. Here I got a 2026 16KH. Got one single tank, 20-pound tank, solid rock art in the front. Your sidewall here has automotive paint, tankless water heater. It's a 6-gallon tankless water heater. You got an outside shower, city water fill, and your freshwater fill. Here's your dump station here, 30 amp service, and your cord is in your basement in the storage bin. Right here you got a cargo rack that'll hold up to 200 pounds. Over here is your bumper storage. This right here, you put your sewer hose in here. You also got a doggy rack. Again, if you have a nice grill or a bike or even a dog, you can put it right there. This right here is an outside refrigerator. It gives you a little counter space here to make a sandwich or something. And then over here is your electric jacks. What you do is push a button and your jacks go down automatically. Over here is your propane tank. So if you want to put a hibachi out here, you hook it up there and it'll feed off your 20-pound tank for you. And again, you got storage right here, magnet door. Your awning is an automatic awning. It goes out, you push a button, it goes out, and then you have LED lights along the whole length of the awning. You have pull bars on your awnings, guys, so when your awning is out and it starts raining a little bit, you can go to either side, pull on a bar, and it'll tilt your awning. We also got a hide window right here. I call it a hide window because when you open it up, plus it's got a friction door, when you open it up, there's your window right there. Okay guys, we're inside. It has a queen size bed. You got storage underneath here with little bins. Pass-through storage on the outside. This right here is an inverter. So if you have a sleep app or your alarm clock or something, this will feed off your 12-volt battery. It doesn't have to be plugged in. You got storage bins on either side, little clothes hangers on them. Storage bins on both sides. This right here has got a little garbage pail here. You take that right out, just for storage right now. And then you have a kick-out window that you can use as a window because there's a screen there. You have outlets on both sides. Right here, you can put your flat screen TV and your cable hookup is right here. This right here is your air conditioner, 13.5 B2 AC. When you turn the air conditioner on, open up these vents right here. It's called a quick cool down. Cold air is going to gush out on you. Once you feel comfortable, you'll shut that down. Over here, you got a nice barn sink with an acrylic countertop. They've also redesigned the window. They used to put a cutting board right here in front of the burner. Instead, they've taken that out and given you a bigger window. You have an air fryer right here, / microwave oven. You have an 11 cubic refrigerator. You have a solar panel on top of the roof, which is 100-watt solar. This right here is your built-in power converter. And again, that solar panel, or when you're traveling down the road with this built-in power converter, it's trickle charging the battery. It's also running your refrigerator. Dinette table, U-shaped dinette table. The dinette table you can take right out on the pedestals, or you can drop it down and make it into a bed. The cushions move right over the table. You also got some nice deep storage bins in here. Nice thick wood, plywood. And then you also have deep wood here, so when you go to lean on this to open your window, it's not going to crack on you. Also over here, you have privacy windows. USB cord that goes over here. In your bathroom, you got speakers that light up. They're blue at night. And then right in here is your bathroom. Good sized bathroom, guys, let me tell you, for a little camper. Good sized shower. It's got the shower curtain that wraps around instead of a glass shower enclosure. And then you got a push pedal flush toilet instead of grabbing it onto the side. Good sized counter space here. You got tankless water heater. You have hot water in about 14 seconds. Again, it's DSI, direct spark ignition. You hit a button inside and your water heater is going to kick on. Still got to take a marine shower though. You shut the wand off, lather up, turn the wand back off. You can't let it run because you'll run out of hot water, guys. Well, come and see me. My name's Russ at Lee's Auto and RV Ranch.